Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the float in your engine's carburetor, first make sure the engine has cooled. Next, you should remove the wire and boot from the spark plug to prevent the engine from accidentally starting. And close the fuel valve. Press the retaining tabs down to release the air housing cover and set the cover and air filter aside. Use a 10mm socket to unthread the mounting bolts, securing the air filter housing and carburetor. Detach the filter housing from the breather tube. Next, release the retaining clamp and detach the fuel line from the carburetor. Disconnect the throttle return spring and the governor rod to release the carburetor. Use a 10mm wrench to unthread the screw, securing the carburetor bowl. Lift off the bowl. Remove the float pin and lift off the float and needle. Prepare the new carburetor float for installation by transferring the needle from the old float to the new one. Align the needle and float on the carburetor and insert the float pin to secure. Confirm that the bowl gasket is in place, then replace the bowl. Thread and tighten the screw to secure. Reinstall the carburetor by first connecting the governor rod and throttle return spring to the throttle arm. Attach the fuel line and secure with the clamp. Next, attach the breather tube to the air filter housing. Insert the mounting bolts through the housing. Slide on the air cleaner gasket, followed by the carburetor. Now slide on the air guide gasket, followed by the choke control assembly. Slide on the intake gasket. Then thread the bolts into the engine and tighten to secure. Replace the air filter in the housing, then align the lower cover tabs with the housing and snap the upper tabs into place. With the repair completed, reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Open the fuel valve, and your engine should be ready for use.